Changing language. If you go here to the hand button and press it, you'll notice down here is an option to change your language. Let's move it with the arrow keys. Press the enter key. And then you can press up and down to move among these language options. Let's go to Espanol. There. And language is no longer English here. And if we want to move back, you'll notice this changed a little bit. They stretched everything out. In case you see this and you need to go to the proper menu, these will page between different, but if the menu's longer or shorter, you see here it says machine settings 1 of 4, and I can press this 4 times to go through all options anyhow. Let's go down here, press enter, let's go back to English. There we go. And again, language is in here, and you notice our menu's back to our normal size. And that's how you do it, how you change languages. And those are the various options. We'll just leave it at English. To show again, switch to Spanish. There. And we have some Spanish. And going back, enter, up and down, enter. And there you go. That's how you change language.